How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Fishing with Ty. So today, tell by the title, we're going to be testing out this Ozark Trail universal kayak cart. Now I've got two different boats. Of course, if you guys watch my other videos, I'm an Ascend 10T, and I have the Kayak, or not the Kayak, but the Lifetime Yukon 116 or the Teton 116. All depends where you buy it from, but it's the same boat. So we're going to be testing this out. I'm going to show you guys what's in the box, how easy it is to assemble, and then we're going to show you the durability of the damn thing. Because I made my own set for my kayak and I busted them in like the first 50 feet of going over rough terrain. So we're going to get this put together real quick. And then Mike and I are going to go kayak fishing at a rock quarry, a super deep rock quarry if you want to see that video. If it's live, it'll be in the description, or there'll be a little card up top. Without further ado, let's hop into this. So it says it includes a 12-foot tie-down strap, 2 wheel fasteners, 2 wheel caps, easy totes, kayaks, canoes, paddleboards, and more. 10-inch solid core tires, no inflation required, anodized aluminum frame with foam bumpers. Spring-loaded stand for quick loading, classical design for storage. If I can give you the damn box. So when you open the box, that's what it looks like. Everything up here. Actually, it looks like it's pretty well pre-assembled. What do you think? Interesting. Do I have any instructions for it? So this little bag looks like it comes with 2 caps, 2 your pins, and your strap to tighten it to your kayak. Let me these. Oh, okay. So to put it together, I guess, just slide them over. These are bushings. These go over the end. Oh, hey, they do. The little black caps. Here, Mike, if you come here real quick. Those black caps pop on, and then your pins go through. So you just line up the holes with the holes on your axles. Slide the pin through. She rolls. To the other side. Line them up. Pop the pin through. That should be it. And set up. That's quite simple, actually. How much do they sell us at Walmart for?
Like 60 bucks.
55, 60 bucks. So, yeah, without further ado, let's load the kayaks up and go fishing. Bye. So for the durability test here, we're going to load this thing, probably do its max. We got a 12-foot kayak and 10-foot kayak, all of our gear. We're gonna see how this thing performs. So, my boat's centered up as best as it can be. I need to reposition this strap 100%. So let me fix that. We're gonna go about our way, what, about 120 yards? It's kind of rough stuff, so this is probably going to be like worst case scenario for this test. So I'm going to get that strap fixed up and see you guys shortly. So here we go. We're going to test the absolute limits of this thing, huh? Hmm. So far, so good. So we made it back to where we're going. Those wheels held up pretty damn well. What do you think?
Yeah.
I don't recommend taking 2 kayaks on it though. It is a pain in the butt. But we actually tested this thing to almost its max weight. Yeah, we were probably about 140, 150 pounds, and this has a 150 pound rating. And we went over a bunch of steep terrain, a bunch of dips, divots, cuts, rocks, boulders for about 200 yards. So I would honestly say that these are worth it. For 55 bucks, they're super lightweight. I'm probably gonna guess like 4 or 5, not even. What would you say? For about 4 pounds for the wheels?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd honestly recommend it. First initial thought, I'd recommend it. I'm gonna put it through a little more testing, and I'll probably give you guys a review down the road. Not only is this gonna be for fishing and just kayaking in general, but I'm also gonna be using this when we're duck hunting. So yeah, if you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you guys want more tutorials, how-tos, or even my fishing videos, hit that sub button. But as always, guys, fish smart, fish safe, and I'll see y'all out on the water.